start from here. Enbon connects the world with innovative technology, create a benchmark for the global display industry. Either the standard display or unique shaped display, every product, from design to testing, we strictly require every step of the process. The production process pursues excellence. Make sure the quality is worry-free. From the train station to the town square, from the mall to the office building, Enbon products are used worldwide. Light up everything of the future with every screen. From Alibaba platforms to social media, Enbon combines online marketing with offline promotion, utilizing diversified sales and marketing strategies to achieve product coverage in a wider area and serve more customers. Future, Enbon takes innovation drive as its power essential. Connect the world through every high-quality display. Like the future, we will continue to create the most respected international brand with social value and sustainable development.